What's up, guys? You already know who it is. JK Adventures coming at you with a JK-tastic video.
I like that.
I know. Patent paid. Patent pending. Whatever. You see the glue. Tell them what we're doing.
We're gonna be making slime today for the first time. I've never made slime. Have you made slime?
No. I didn't even know this was a thing.
This is a thing. If you guys don't know, this is the thing. People make slime.
This is what happens when you date high school girls. You get in these weird trends and weird videos that you don't even really want to do.
Slime is a thing, alright? So that's what we're doing today.
And for all you ASMRers,
oh yeah, we're gonna give you guys
you're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. So
we should just get started. You want to get? Okay, we're getting started right into it. How does it smell? Does it smell good? Can I smell it?
It would have been so funny if she squeezed it.
Can I smell it? Stop, babe! Wait, I want to smell it.
Oh God, you glue sniffer.
Okay, go ahead. Squeeze it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's already ASMRing my sensation of noise. Oh yeah, we need a bigger bowl.
No, we... Oh my God, we stopped adding water, don't we? You think we're gonna need a bigger bowl?
Hell yeah, we're gonna need a bigger bowl. You better hurry up and get a bigger bowl.
I don't have a bigger bowl.
Technical difficulties.
I don't think I have one. Let me try to find one.
We better go Google one. Wait 1 minute. I have to update the social media. If you're not following, all social media is JK Adventures.
So clearly our bowl is too small, so we're gonna switch it over to the other bowl.
Wait.
Yeah. Clearly we're not real slime people. If you want the ingredients that we're using, well, since we're winging it, we'll let you know down below. Because...
Ready?
Yeah, for
to
this.
do the rest?
Yeah. So we just put in some water. Oh, you gotta mix it while we do this.
I'm mixing it. I'm mixing it.
I think we already messed up. You ready? For more? Can you hurry up?
I was just going fast and you told me to slow down. Now you want me to hurry up? We need maximum gluage.
We need freaking glue all over the fancy
No one said
table.
this is gonna be clean. The fancy table. Can you start the activator with the boiling hot water?
So we got some borax, and we're winging that too. What if this is a total fail?
Then there's gonna be a part 2.
Alright, you ready?
Cause that's totally gonna make the slime.
I know, I just remembered. You want to pour some of the water?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
It's not the same though.
Just a little bit, Tony. See, yeah, it is working. Let him start. See right there.
Wow!
This is so cool. Just keep on stirring. Tell me that's not cool. Oh god. So you gotta keep mixing. We could probably add some glitter. We could do that when we're kneading it.
Yes, boss. So how's your guys' day?
Babe! Mess!
Clearly mine's messy. So what does this scientifically do? Does it...
It mentally stabilizes you.
Mentally.
It's fun to play with. Like it's like, I want to say it's like a fidget spinner. Okay. So, you want to put some in that bowl?
I said it like an hour ago. It's getting a little messy in here. Yeah, you figure this out. Yeah, get your hands in there.
God, this is so weird. I don't think it's right. This isn't right.
Too much rules for this stuff. When we're getting ready, it literally was a science project. You guys hear the noise it's making? Does that get into your senses?
Okay, pour some water in here. This is like making tortillas.
Yeah, you just grab that. My fingers are sticky.
Well, maybe if you weren't such a badooble and got your hands dirty.
Can you guys Google that? We're having so much fun.
That's what you get because I'm actually having the time of my life. Guys, I wish you could feel this. If you're like a feeling type of person, like, wow.
What? Juanita's in her feelings. You like this?
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a nice frosty white. As you can tell, my face is this is gross. Look at your hands. We're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Here's the
Can you guys see it move? We haven't touched it for about 30 minutes. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. So look.
Oh,
Wait. I mean, it's not like slime. It's more like, I think we put too much borax. Because it kind of just breaks apart. Or what do you think?
I think it looks gross like slime.
Yeah, but it's not like, you slime people will know, like it's not, we're gonna fix this because we're not failures. I'm sorry, but even if it's not slime, this is just so satisfying, guys. Okay.
Yeah, I know how to make fart sounds now.
Remember, I've never done this before. So I'm gonna add some objects. You can get creative with it now. Since this was kind of a success.
You gotta get your brother a towel.
I'm busy playing with my slime. I guess only the real experts would know if this is real slime, guys.
I'm gonna say it's a pass.
You think we succeeded?
There's no way we didn't. From a non-slime expert, that looks pretty slimy to me.
Oh my god.
What?
I just thought of an idea.
What?
Since we're at 49 subscribers, if we hit 50, I think we should give someone our slime.
You heard her. 50 subscribers.
All you gotta do is comment your Instagram name and we'll DM you down below when we hit 50 subscribers.
So make sure you share it
Yep.
to all your friends so you guys can all subscribe. We just need one more. It's not difficult.
Yep, one more subscriber and then you could get a chance to win our attempt of slime, which is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna go a lot worse.
I do recommend breaking it into manageable sized pieces. So that's for one kid, that's for another kid, this is for another child, and then boom. You got 5 children occupied for probably hours because we've literally been doing this for hours. And I wasn't a slime guy before. Alright, back to your own regular schedule program.
That was very rude. We're back to give you guys our final results on our slime. Do you guys see this right now?
Aww.
Okay, I'm gonna explain to you what I did to mine. Pink and purple glitter with some orange beads in it. And yours, baby?
I think mine had all the color glitters, which would have been all the colors. of the rainbow.
But it
We
turned
added
out
a
green.
ton of green.
Yeah.
Ton of green, but it's pretty cool. I gotta say, it might not be exactly what you guys might expect or any slime connoisseur might think, but I think it's pretty official and it seems pretty close enough to me. And it is pretty addicting, I can't lie. Even though it keeps breaking.
I think you will definitely see another slime video from us in the future because I think we should test out a different recipe.
Yeah, a different concoction. Looks like we're going to be doing a couple slime videos, so if you're into slime, you might want to subscribe.
And don't forget, guys, at 50 subscribers, which we just need one more, you can go ahead and comment down below on this video your Instagram username, and you can get a chance to win our slime.
We're going to preserve it like dinosaurs' bones.
You got anything else to add, baby?
You already know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe. You already know you got to comment if you want to win this slime. And make sure you share this so we can get our 50 subscribers.
Other than that,
Peace.
bye, guys.